Ready? You got your 5-point harness on?
Yeah, let's see your. Remember, I'm wearing my good shoes, so if I have to go get the dozer to pull us out, it's going to be a little embarrassing. Nothing cooler than pulling you out with a dozer.
Oh, look at this. Whoa. Look at this. Just elevate a little bit so get a better shot. Yeah. Alright, this is what we call stew country, alright? Literally stew country. Now, we came up on this road. It was totally muddy. And going downhill is supposed to be easier. And Stu is leaving me, the professional street driver, to drive. Here we go. Here's the mud road. And I think that's it.
Go left. Go left. Right would be impossible. Right is the skidder road.
Alright, so we're going down this pike.
Oh,
There we go.
I think you need a little momentum.
Here we go. Whoa! Sliding, sliding, going, track! Go! Show! We're making it! Yay!
Oh my god. Alright, go.
Alright, the car needs a car wash.
Go left, go left.
Go left here?
Yeah, if you can. Hard left. There you go. Oh. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, Jesus. Crazy man.
Alright, we're home.